Assalamu alaikum students, you hope you all will be fine. My name is Mrs. Farazan and I'm going to start the second chapter of history class 6. Now that we are back from vacations, it's time to refocus on our studies. Our second chapter name is Persian, Greek and Roman civilization. Here we will discuss about these three empires or civilizations. Firstly, we will describe when and how the Persian, Greek and Roman civilizations were formed. I'll describe you shortly about the origin or beginning of these civilization. First is Persian civilization. When Persian civilization is formed, the Persian Empire, specifically the Achaemenid Empire, began around 550 BCE. Persian Empire specifically इसको Achaemenid सल्तनत भी कहा जाता है. How it's originate? It was founded by Cyrus the Great after he conquered the Median Empire. Cyrus the Great was the founder of this empire. Cyrus, the king of Persia, unified the disparate tribes of the region, initiating the formation of vast empire that stretched across modern-day Iran, Egypt, and parts of Asia. साइरस वॉज द किंग ऑफ पर्शिया. इसने बहुत छोटे छोटे से कबीलों को इकट्ठा किया और एक बड़ी सल्तनत बनाई जो आज ईरान, इजिप्ट और एशिया का हिस्सा हैं. Now let's move towards the Greek civilization. When it's originate, early signs of advanced society in the Greek region appeared during the Bronze Age. Bronze Age civilizations mean advanced societies characterized by the use of bronze tools and weapons, the development of complex trade networks, the rise of urban centers, and advanced government. But the classical period of independent city-states like Athens and Sparta. Who was Athens and Sparta? These were two powerful yet vastly different city-states in ancient Greece. Emerged around the 8th century BCE. How Greek civilization formed? Greek civilization developed organically from earlier culture, primarily through the formation of independent city-states that flourished due to their geographical locations and focused on developing distinct political, cultural, and philosophical system. Next moves toward the Roman civilization. Roman civilization was a small settlement and its origin or at least 753 BCE. How this is formed? This settlement gradually grew into the city and polity of Rome. Polity mean इसकी सियासत मतलब रोम की सियासत की वजह से ये gradually grew करना शुरू हुई through a combination of military strength, strategic alliances and political maneuvering. अलियंसेस मीन के इनमें इत्तेहाद होने की वजह से, इनकी मिलिट्री पावर स्ट्रांग होने की वजह से, पॉलिटिकल मैनेजमेंट की वजह से रोम एक्सपैंड इट्स कंट्रोल ओवर सराउंडिंग. रोम ने अपने इर्द गिर्द के इलाकों पे भी कंट्रोल कर लिया और फिर ये एक बहुत बड़ी सल्तनत बन गया एंड इवेंचुअली बिल्ट अ वास्ट एम्पायर. नाउ मूव्स टुवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट स्टेप विच इज़ द daily life and social society, a social custom of ancient Persian, Greek and Roman and civilization. What is the social structure of and daily life of ancient Persian? Social structure of ancient Persian was a rigid hierarchical system with the king at the top followed by a priest. इसमें ये एक hierarchy type एक system था जिसमें king जो थे वो top पे आते थे, उसके बाद उसको priest follow करते थे, फिर नोबलर्स नीचे मतलब ये एक pyramid like structure था जिसमें प्राइस्ट के बाद नोबल्स, नोबल्स के बाद कमांडर्स, कमांडर्स के बाद मर्चेंट्स, मर्चेंट्स के बाद आर्टिशंस, पीसेंट्स एंड देन स्लेव्स जो सबसे लास्ट और लोअर रैंक था. Daily life of ancient Persian based on agrarian period supported by trade networks. Agrarian मीन इनकी ज़रूरी काश्तकारी पे बेस करता था, इनकी ट्रेडिंग पे बेस करता था, कंस्ट्रक्शन पे बेस करती थी इनकी इकोनॉमी. वुमेन हेल्ड हाई स्टेटस ऑनिंग प्रॉपर्टी एंड बिजनेसेस एंड रिसीविंग इक्वल पे. एजुकेशन वाज प्राइमरी फॉर द वेल्थी सन्स ऑफ nobles. What was the social structure and daily life of ancient Greek? Social structure of ancient Greek were based on classes, including the aristocracy citizens. Aristocracy citizens means rich people in the society. Metics means residents foreigners जो ज़्यादातर बाहर रहने वाले foreigners से, and slaves जो गुलाम में आते हैं. The cities states was the fundamental political unit. Cities में एक सियासी निज़ाम बहुत अच्छे से मैनेज था. डेली लाइफ वेरिड ग्रेटली बाय सिटी स्टेट्स states, with Athens promoting democracy and the arts. I already told you about Athens and Sparta. Athens were promoting democracy and the arts, while Sparta focused on military power. Citizens participated in political discourse, philosophy, and athletics, including the Olympic Games. Rome was, as you know, Rome was a small empire, pronounced social hierarchy, including this social structure was based on three classes: upper class, middle class, and lower class. Upper class based on aristocracy peoples, plebeians were commoners like middle class, slaves and freemen were lower class. Daily life, citizens engaged in family life, visiting public bars, and enjoying various forms of entertainment like gladiator games. For the wealthy, daily life was often centered on villas with farms, gardens, and multiple buildings. Now, here are these three timelines of these civilizations, like timeline of Persian civilization, this is the timeline of Roman civilization, and this is the timeline of Greek civilization. These timelines are also available in your books. You have to draw these timelines on computer pages and paste it on their notebooks. Also, you have to learn these timelines very clearly. Thank you, students. Hope you understand all these terms very clearly. Next, I will send you the copy work, and you will write these works on your copies. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day.